guys, let's arrange my marker. Let's go. First off, let's put this. Then the color Cosmos. Then warm gray. Next, pale cream. It looks like yellow. Now, forest green. Next, royal blue. Next, pale purple. It just looks like pinks. I got this from Mr. DIY. Next, fluorescent yellow. Next, fluorescent pink. Next, guys, is burnt orange. It's burnt. It's packaged very well. Then yellow green. Next, it's just color black. Next, wine red. Next is deep olive green. Next is dark blue light. Next is light pink. Oh. Next is January. Just a second. It's Venshana. It looks like my mother's name. Just kidding. It's my mom is Ada's name. I think this one is vivid reddish purple. Why are you laughing? Next, I think this is French vermilion. Next is cherry pink. That's cool. Next is mint green light. Just looks like from Squid Game from the green light, bro. Marigold. Deep yellow. Oh, it dropped. It's so hard. Lemon yellow. I don't like this color because it's color like this, like that.
Sure.
Yeah. But if I color it here, it's like that.
It looks like mustard.
And it even colors behind the paper, and it's just the same, like that. Oh my gosh. Next is pale pink. I think I already see this. Next, pastel blue, and then grass green, and then color red, and then fruit pink. Next is potato brown. Is there even color like that?
Of course.
I didn't know that. Oh, pastel yellow. My eyes is dry because of the fan. Green gray. Turquoise blue. Turquoise blue. This. Next is warm gray. And then next, rose red. Have you ever remembered about, do you ever know the color of a potato? Potato brown?
Yeah.
Just comment down below. Next is orange. Huh? Let's test the color. Let's go. That's orange. What? It looks a bit of dark. Oops. That was too. Why just can't I get it out? Next is pastel pink. Oh, this is a ball pen. Next is cerulean blue. Deep red. Next is pale cherry pink. Let's test the color, guys. Let's go. So, I forgot I already used that. That's for you guys. Like that. That's for you. A heart. Just a little more and we're done. This is a lot. This is 48 colors. Yellow. Let me just fix my clothes. vivid purple. I never. Next, light violet. If it's light violet, is it like dark? It's just, yeah. Huh? How's that even possible? And finally, 3 more left. Next is P. Coco. What does even that mean? Green. Ultra. Ultra. I can't read it. There's something in behind it. I just can't read it. Maybe it's purple? It's just white.
Yeah.
By the way, this is mint green. And finally, we're done. Thank you for watching, and remember to click that subscribe button and like to my video, and please always be subscribed if you're watching my video. Bye! Have a nice great day. Have a nice good day or morning if you're other world. Bye!